My love is strong as a lion, soft as the cotton you lying.
Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna be giving this baby girl a hair wash. So what we're gonna be using today is first coconut oil, a spray bottle, comb, and this whole contour product here. So here I have the Care for Kids conditioning. So this is like just spraying her hair when her hair is too dry. And I have the moisturizer curly activator cream here. That one too I think is for dry hair, and we're not going to be using that now, but yeah, that's what I have right now. And we have the shampoo. This is a shampoo. I put them in this, I like them in this small bottle. I don't know why. I have the big bottles, but I just like to put them here in my small bowl. And also I have the conditioner. This is all kinds of I have a whole bunch of them. I just love this product. Right now, if I show her hair, it's so curly and so nice. Like, it's not even like some product where you use them and they're white in your hair. No, this particular product, it's not like that. And that's the reason why I like it so much for her. For right now, this is the only product that I want. Until I find maybe something else, I would love to try something else. But for right now, this is what we're using. So now, what we're gonna do is, she don't like me touching her hair. She's gonna cry a little bit. I use like the coconut oil on the scalp first, everywhere, before starting to wash the hair, like before even putting the shampoo there, because after washing it just makes it like look really good. I'm doing it in my bathroom, and it's a little bit dark because my lights went off, or two of them went off. So I can go in the living room, but I just want to keep, Utah is very cool. I just want to keep the heat here because I have the heater on. I want to keep the heat here. She's been sick, the flu. She had the flu, so I don't want to like expose her again to too much cold until she's really feeling better and stuff. My baby girl have gray hair. And then after putting the coconut oil on her scalp, I just go in like that and massage it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna look for like a cup where I'll melt the coconut oil and just like pour it on her scalp. It'll be so nice. I'll just warm it up a little bit because this one is a little bit thick, so that's why I'll have to go in. People might be wondering, oh my gosh, she's pulling on her hair. I don't pull on her hair. When I do it like this, I do it really, really soft, even though it looks like I'm doing it so fast. But no, I like when people massage my head like this. Do you like it?
Yeah. That's okay. Let's roll to the roots.
So now I'm spraying it to get it wet a little bit before I start using the shampoo on it. That will make me not to use too much of it on her hair. So this hair wash today, I'm getting her ready for her birthday. It's gonna be on Friday. We're not really gonna celebrate the birthday on Friday because everybody's going to work. Like everyone that I'm inviting to this birthday party, they said, oh, we have to work. So it's good to do it in the week on the weekend. So I'm doing it on Sunday. It's not like a big thing that we're doing. because we live in an apartment and the apartment is so small. I wish like we were living in a house. We can do a big thing, but right now, no. Maybe by next year we should be moving in a house so that I can celebrate her birthday. Her 1 year birthday, she was not like, I don't know how people celebrate like a 1 year old birthday big, because if you have a kid that cries a lot and she don't like people, like seeing a lot of people, it's really hard. It's a hard thing to do. So she didn't like people at all. I'm like, no, I'm not gonna waste that money to like make a big thing and she's crying. People are just there enjoying. No. So we said we wanna wait until like she knows something. Like, let's say I'm looking forward to her 5-year birthday for sure, because that time she's like, she knows exactly what you're doing. She's gonna enjoy. But when they're 1, sometimes my culture, what we do is just like mostly like something just small, like prayer and stuff. Just pray for that child for their first year in the world. That's all we do. But like doing a big thing, who are you doing it for? Because they're not even into it at all. I think like 5 would be the best age to celebrate a child's birthday, because that time they know they will be telling their friends and stuff. But 1, 2, 3, I think 3 is okay. 2, 4 is okay, but 1 and 2 now it's just mommy. Once you're there celebrating the birthday, they're there crying. So now I'm using the shampoo. After using the coconut oil, I'm using the shampoo here. So after the shampoo, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my finger to comb the hair. Oh my god, it's so tangled. Sometimes I use the comb. I can use the comb, but for now I want to use my finger to comb this hair. Look how long her hair is. Oh, what? Look where? The soap? It went on your ears? Let me come and wipe it up. It's not there anymore. I didn't want to do braids. I just wanted to leave her hair like that, but she will just mess the whole thing up. So what I'm gonna do braids on her. So I just massage it after putting the shampoo. Just make sure I massage it all over her hair. Like just go in and massage it very good. Her scalp, scrub it very good. So when I'm washing it, it will not be like, I will not have a lot of soap and stuff in there. So yeah. It looks like this light is not even on. That is how it looks like to me. So when I'm done washing her hair, what I do is I use shea butter It's already mixed and everything, shea butter straight from Africa. So that's what I use on the hair. That makes it really, really soft. I know they have shea butter here, but we make some too in Africa. I cannot trust that, because this one I don't know what they're doing. The only difference is the one here in America here have the no smell at all, but the one in Africa have a little bit of smell. I'm still okay, because I still put like the Cantu product in there and mix it together, so it makes it smell good. But I like that one. That's what I'm using on her hair. So now, where she have this big pony here, let me get her water ready. Talk to the camera. Tell them, say my hair is so long. My name is Melanie. What's your name? Melanie what? How old are you? Say I'm 2.
No.
She never want to be 2. Oh, Melanie. Where's the water? Is getting ready. Let me take this bad boy out. You don't need that, huh? So this is what we use in the water for the chlorine, because we don't want the chlorine to go on her hair. This take out the chlorine from the water. We have the thing on the top too. We have I don't know how they call that, but it's there. I don't want to use that, so I'm gonna drop this in her water, and it's called vitamin C. Let me show you guys. So this is what I'm using in the water right now. So I just cut like 4 pieces. I use this one, half of this. Oh my god. My place is so tight, so tight. Like the apartment is so tight for 6 people, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's really small. My bathroom is really small. So yeah, I really can't wait. By September we should be looking for a house. We should be ready for a house. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that, so I can have my little space and do my video and stuff. But yeah, now baby, let's get on there. Come on, sit down. Come on. We're all done with the washing here. Let me turn this TV down actually. We can do 2 things. So yeah, we're all done. Now what we're doing is to style the hair. She's gonna cry for sure, because she don't like people to touch her hair at all. What she likes is just leave the hair like this. But then I want to do something for her birthday. I don't want to leave it like this. Her hair been like this for like a week now. I'm done with that. So I want to like do something different for her. So if you guys love this video, if you guys want me to be doing videos like this, subscribe, comment and share, please, so that I can be making